This last nature poem is called The Big Storm. It rained very hard, rapping on the ground like a million hammers, busy at work. The wind raced wildly through the trees, rustling every leaf. The leaves that were already blown off scattered about the ground, trying to find a place to stay and play. The sky was very dark and very ominous at sight, as if to say, "Beware." The wind whipped through the blades of grass and on over the horizon. Meanwhile, the birds all freeze up with fright, not to utter one little melody. The other animals stayed very well hidden. As it rained, the cold winds still whipping through the night, not a plane in flight or a soul in sight. The storm raged on like a never-ending song, and when at last it ended, all was still again. The animals came out of hiding as the birds sang their little melodies again. I'll let this run to 2 minutes so I can put a picture on it.